When you install some Linux on your machine, you are going to get out of the box system monitor like this one. But if you prefer something else, like terminal solution, let me show you. Still the best thing that you can find is HTop. Simple, easy to navigate, yet provides everything that you need. But if you prefer GUI, there are multiple solutions that you can look into. Like resources. Looks maybe a little bit like Windows Task Manager, but it's a nice interface, easy to navigate, and provides a lot of information. Now, Mission Center. Also look a little bit like Windows Task Manager, but it's also easy to navigate, provides tons of information, and one really interesting solution overall. But check this out. The next step that you should see is Hardinfo2. Graphical interface is more interesting, has different style than previous solutions, and if you prefer all of these colors, this is definitely interesting thing to look into. And final solution for this episode, Monitorets. Now, if you prefer a more simplistic view, go to Preferences, and we are going to turn off some of these options. I'm going to eliminate some of these sensors because not all of them are necessary. I'm gonna keep these three. In appearances, we can change theme like light or dark. Maybe you prefer something like this.